But you drown me out with your din. And then I learned how to swim. Oh, I was floating above myself, watching her